신종 코로나 시대의 대세이자 뉴
There is a
노멀로서
social movement regarding
반사회적
working from
패턴,
home that seemed to be
재택근무의
the new
반기를
normal
드는
in the era
현상이
of the novel
나타나고 있다고
coronavirus.
합니다. 해외 일부 최고 경영자가
CEOs of major
사무실로
corporations
돌아오라는
are
목소리를
requesting
내고
that their
있고
employees return back to the
심지어는
office.
재택근무에 적극적이었던
Even
실리콘
Silicon Valley
밸리
tech
시스템
companies, who
기업에서도
once were
반대
encouraging
의견이
employees to work from
나오고
home, are
신종
now against
코로나
this
백신
idea.
보급
And as the
확산과
vaccine
함께
distribution is becoming more
재택근무에 대한
widespread, the call
본격적인
for ending work
반영이
from home is
벌어진다고
getting louder.
합니다. JP 모건 회장은
The president
재택근무에
of JP
장점이
Morgan said
없다며
that there is no
백신
benefit to
접종
this
서둘러
and is encouraging
사무실 근무
employees to
하나로
swiftly get
하고
vaccinated and
구글도
return back to the
업무
office.
공간을 30% 이상 늘리는
Google is
한편
increasing the office space by
페이스북과
30%.
아마존도 본사
Facebook and
확장
Amazon are
계획을
also
추진
planning to
중이고
increase their office space,
주거받은
and
공유
commercial real
오피스
estate
시장도
is making a
벌떡
comeback.
일어서고 있다고 합니다. 스승님, 이러한
Susanim, can we
현상은
take this to mean that
다시
society
코로나
is returning to
이전으로
pre-pandemic
회귀하는
norms?
거로 봐야
Can you please teach
되는지
us?
가르침 청합니다.
예. 어, 우리가 지금
Did
재택근무를
we
해야
really
되냐
work from
해보는
home?
거죠.
Or did we just try it out?
지금은
We are
재택근무를
actually
해보는
just
거지.
experimenting with working from home. We have
예.
not genuinely worked from home
재택근무의 길의
properly.
답을 바르게 찾지 못했어.
Why? Because no one has found the correct
아직까지.
way of working from home.
그러니까
Not
이
yet.
재택근무를 바르게
If society
찾아서
found the right way to work from home, it would be widely implemented.
근데 인류는 재택근무에
However,
대한
the
근본을
world
못 잡았어.
has not found the fundamental principle.
재택근무는 누가 하냐?
Who should work from home?
이 회사에 있다면
A person who works in a company with the concept of contributing something beneficial for that company and with the spirit of teamwork can work from home.
근데 지금 어떤 현상이
But what
있느냐?
is happening now?
예를 들어 갖고 간부
Take, for
급들이죠.
example, those who work in management, managers who receive large salaries, high quality managers in their respective fields who don't need more money. These people can work from home.
회사 출근을 안 해도
These
자기 할
people
일을 다 하고
complete
또
their
많이
work without going into the office and even try to do more.
밑에 내려가면 어떠냐 하면
But if you go down a level from the managers, the workers who are out to make a living for themselves, those who try to invest their money to make a buck for themselves,
이 사람들은
these people
재택근무하면
should
안 돼.
not work from home.
왜?
Why?
처음에 할 때는 재택근무
It may seem like they are working just fine working from home.
하나요? 시간 조금 주면
But
버릇이 돼 가지고
after a while, they become laid back.
퍼지 갖고 놀아도 되는
They
걸로
become lazy and start to goof around.
나태해진다.
They idly lounge
놀아도
around.
되니까.
They become lazy because they
시간적으로
can.
내가 조금 더 술도 한 잔 더 물 수 있고.
They have
뭐
more
자꾸
time to
시간을
spend,
이상하게
so they
가다가
may
보니까
drink another glass of
바깥으로
wine.
에너지 뽑히는
They
일들이 자꾸
spend time
생기고
doing other
안에
things.
근무하는데 필요한
They
일들을
take
하는데
shortcuts working for the
자꾸
company,
편법으로
and their
하고
energy is spent on doing something else.
이 세계의 대기업들이
Corporations
지금
around the
그걸
world
지금
have caught on to this.
아직 안 되겠다. 다
This is not working out. All of you should return to the
관리가
office.
들어가야 되지 안 되겠다는 거야. 돈을
These
주는
people
만큼 관리
need
들어가야 되는
managing.
거예요.
They need as much managing as they are paid.
그러면 내가 만약에 월급을
Take
안
another
받고
example of people who do freelance work,
이 사람은
not
열심히
salaried employees. These
왜
people
내 사업이-
work hard. Why?
그냥
Because they are
월급쟁이
running their
근성을
own
가지고 있는
businesses.
사람은 이거는 안 되는 거야.
But wage
그
earners
근성을
don't
가진
work as
사람은
business
단순하기
owners.
때문에 월급을 받고
The nature
있어도
of wage
나는
earners
여기서
is
공부를
simple-minded.
하고 나는 성장을 하고 이
People
회사에서
who
내가
want to
성장을
study
하는
and
이런
grow while
생각을
working
가진
in the
사람은
company
재택근무해도
can work
되고,
from home.
이 사람 재택근무를
These
하라고
types of
그러잖아요.
workers,
회사
when
나와도
told
되고
that they
밖에
can
있어도
work
된다
either
이러면
from home
끄떡하면
or
회사가
at the office, they prefer to come to work.
더 열심히 한단 말이죠.
They work even harder.
나는 이 회사에 있어야
They
되는데
want to
내
stay with the
쫓겨날까 봐
company
돈만
and are
좀
afraid of
따라다니고
being let go. They are
더
not trying to
열심히
just make more money. People work harder when they try to grow and develop.
그런데 지금 이
But
사회가
90% of the workers in a company only try to profit for themselves.
그럼 시간을 오픈하고 풀어줘 버리면
If the company allows the workers free rein with their time, they primarily prioritize their time for their benefit. They don't mainly work for the company because they will get paid regardless. Their salary is paid regularly. Their focus is on greed, not work. So major corporations have figured this out. Big companies are asking their workers to return to the office. Why? Because the COVID vaccine is now available. Perhaps some major companies will get their hands on the vaccines for their employees. They may get permission to do this, but Korean companies can't do that. We have to understand what it truly means to work from home. We need to learn a new way of working from home. If we haven't designed a smart way to work from a home method, then companies are forced to bring the workers back into the office because of the negative side effects. Without a well-designed program, the workers are forced to return to the office. There will be some work-from-home programs that do work. Through this try and error, the pros and cons of working from home will be discovered. As companies analyze these pros and cons through multiple attempts, a better way to run the work-from-home program will be found. People will realize the benefits of a well-run program. Working from home means that companies trust their employees. Trust. Companies will trust their employees to work for the companies despite not coming into the office. Without being tied down to a strict schedule, do whatever you want for the benefit of the company. These types of programs allow a stress-free environment as compared to stress from working alongside a person next to them. An adequate program should take advantage of these factors and give employees free rein to fully realize their potential. One way would be to pick out employees who have the idea of working for the benefit of the company and reward them with the opportunity to work from home so that they will make an effort to work hard for the company. Giving such excellent employees the opportunity to work a certain percentage of the hours from home is another idea. Give them an opportunity to work from home 30 or 70% of the time. As corporations lead the way in finding a good way to run these programs, and if they are created and work well, other countries in the world will follow our lead. If a good work-from-home program is created in Daehanminguk, then the world will follow suit. This is how you should understand it.